Hi friends, I'm Mina. Today, we're learning numbers with fun flashcards. Let's have fun and learn.
1 apple. 2 2 balloons. 3 3 stars. 4 4 flowers. 5 5 crayons. 6 6 sweet ice creams. 7 7 beautiful butterflies. 8 8 building blocks. 9 9 fast cars. 10 10 delicious cookies. Hooray! Let's remember. 1 apple. 2 balloons. 3 stars. 4 flowers. 5 crayons. 6 ice cream. 7 butterfly. 8 blocks. 9 cars. 10 cookies. Great job.
Bye-bye, little friends. We had so much fun today. See you soon.